Be close to the back door, especially that yarrow. You know, it's supposed to help with bleeding. Kitchen, you know, nice. Come along with me as I plant about 4 or 5 plants that need to be in the ground so they can get the roots started before winter gets here. Try to get these in the ground before winter time. Let them get some growth. Root growth.
Keep laying in dirt.
Yep. Let's come over here. And I've got a comfrey plant this year. It was a bare root, so I put it in a pot, and it was doing pretty good. It's got some brown leaves on it, so that's it right there. So we're gonna put it in the ground, I think right here. I think it'll get mostly sun right here, so. Plus, this pot didn't have a drain hole, so I think it's getting too much water. It's doing really good, and it's hard to turn around. So let's get it in the ground, see what happens. Get, look, in the ground. See if I can reach that one from over here. That's my other yarrow plant. I'm getting a flyby by hummingbird. This one's supposed to be pink. Saucy Seduction. This one about died on me. I don't know why I bring my gloves. I don't use them. Okay. Whew. Humid. All this rain was supposed to have cooled it down. I guess it is cooler. It's not 115 heat index. It's only probably 99. Okay. I have a hosta plant that has been sitting on the front porch that needed to be put in the ground. And it's just sitting here, so I've got to get it in the ground. See it sitting there? I don't plant that much out front because it doesn't get sun. So I figured it'd be a good spot for it. One of these days, we'll have a front patio, or a front flower bed. There's what it's supposed to be. Drop dead gorgeous hosta. So hopefully it will be. I've got one over here that was at my mom's. She could really grow them. Alright. Let me grab my stuff. I think I'm about done. Go home, go in and clean up. Whew. Aren't I pretty? Hot, sweaty, running everywhere. We're glistening, as some say. I'm glistening pretty good. Alright, guys. About time to do an update for all my stuff. Dies out. Looks like I need to do a little bit of watering, even though we got rain this morning. Some of my plants over here on the wall, kind of looking a little peaked. Look at my potato plant, guys. Going everywhere. Alright. Let me set this down. Okay, guys. y'all be sure to come back and see me. I didn't take very long, so maybe I'll add something to the end of this. Been getting quite a few harvests, so I just want to get that stuff in the ground, give it some time before winter gets here, give them some roots. Roots? It makes fun of me saying roots. So I figured if I plant it right in here, be close to the back door, especially that yarrow. You know, it's supposed to help with bleeding. Kitchen, you know, nice. Alright, y'all come back and see me. Bye-bye.